Hi, all of you. Welcome to Quant Masters. I'm Himanshu Sharma. After we released yesterday's video about the results of TCS NQT 2021, my inbox was flooded with messages. Everybody were asking, sir, what are the type of questions asked, sir? Do you have any idea about it? So we are the first ones to let you know what were the questions asked in the interview. Okay, so without wasting any time, let me start. So my students, one student is from Andhra Pradesh. He's from CS department. And the question which was asked to him, now he thought that only technical round will happen. But for his surprise, there was a panel of three members. One was TR, who is in charge of asking technical questions. One was MR, who is in charge of asking management round questions. And one was HR, who will ask basic questions based on your personality. So as soon as he entered, he saw there is a panelist of three members. So the first question was asked by the HR, tell me about yourself. Now, people, instead of just discussing, I think I can add a bit more points so that you remember few things, you don't create blunders. Because when you have cleared TCS NQT, such a big exam, which was quite tough, okay, I don't want you people to get rejected in HR. So tell me about yourself, see through it that in that 1 minute, you make an impression, you make an impact. Talk about your achievements, talk about your participations, talk how confident, sir, I'm a confident person. I would like to interact with people, talk about positive things about you. See through it that it is impactful and it is just 1 minute, not more than that. Okay, so see through it that you highlight your achievements, you highlight your participations, okay, and how you are as a person and what is your goal. Okay, so this is what you have to talk in that 1 minute. Don't tell my father, my grandfather is here, I'm from Bangalore or anywhere else. No. Okay. Next question, which was asked to him, the technical HR asked him this question. Okay, we saw your resume, and then he asked him about his project. Okay, so you have done a project on Java. So can you please explain me about the insertion query that you have done in your project? Okay, how you connected to the backend? Okay, then my student told, sir, I use JDBC. Then the HR told, okay, open your notepad and write the JDBC driver code. This was asked to him. Okay, he had to write the code for JDBC driver to connect. And then, sir, he asked me about my HTML. He asked me about HTML. How will you write and what will you do with test and test area tags? Okay, then he explained about test and test area. And then they told him, open your notepad again and write HTML code for it. This is what was asked to him. And then, have you used Ajax or post and get method? This was asked. What are the languages you know? He told, sir, I'm good at C, C++, Python, and machine learning. They asked him, now that you have mentioned machine learning, where have you used machine learning? So he told, sir, I learned over here in this academy and I have used it over there. Okay. Then next panel member, that is the MR, the one who's in charge of asking management type of questions. Okay. He asked, Mumbai has high COVID cases. If you are, if your project manager calls you to work in Mumbai, would you go? He told, yes, sir, I would definitely go. Okay, then the MR told, see, everybody tells the same thing. How can I trust that you are not bluffing and you're being honest? Okay, so then here my student got a bit stuck, but you can tell something like this. Okay, sir, I have been doing my engineering in one place. I have been doing my schooling in one place. Okay, and I would love to explore places, sir. That is why any place would be perfect for me. I would see through it that I explore places, meet new people, and get adjusted over there. With something like this, you can tell when he tries to probe you more. Next question, are you flexible with night shift? Okay, this was asked. Okay, so don't say no. Please do say yes. If needed, I would. What are the extracurricular activities that you have done? This question was asked. He told, sir, I play Coco. They asked him, being a team player, okay, your team is losing the game and all the players are playing their own individual game. Okay, how will your team win and what would you do? This question was asked to him. Okay, now at this circumstances, again, what better you can tell is if everybody are playing their individual game, I would appreciate everybody for their individual work, and I would see through it that I motivate them for the team to win. If everybody plays well, definitely the team would win for sure. So just appreciate, coordinate with them, and motivate them. Okay, then tell me why we shouldn't select you. This question was asked. Why shouldn't we select you? See, all these questions are trap questions. Okay, if you tell the real reason why you should not be selected, you'll definitely not be selected. Okay, so what you can tell why should you not select me is because there might be that there might be people who have more aggregate than me, who average score in engineering is more than me, or in MSc is more than me, or in MC is more than me. Might be they have a higher aggregate, so this might be one factor why you might reject me. Okay, so quite simple. Okay, don't complicate things over there, keep it simple. Okay, tell me why we shouldn't select you. What are your weaknesses? This is one more trap question. Okay, now many of my students, okay, they don't understand this. Okay, my students have answered, others do not understand why are they asking this question. Now few of them would answer, what are your weaknesses? At times I don't feel confident, at times I feel diffident, okay, at times I feel scared, angry, etc., etc. Never highlight all this. Now you tell me, when you're not confident on yourself, how will the HR feel confident to select you for the company? Am I right? So you're not talking about your qualities there. Okay, sir, why you should not select me? You can say that, sir, I tend, what are your weaknesses? Weaknesses, sir, I tend to forget dates, important dates. Okay, I am not that good at by hearting, sir. You can tell that. And you can tell something like, I'm not into fitness and diet, sir. I like eating. I'm not into fitness and diet. This something basic, you can keep it. Okay, fine. So next question which was asked was, you mentioned machine learning is what you know. Suppose you aren't given a project on it, what would you do? My student told, sir, I would learn the new skills whichever project you have put, and I would work on that project, sir. Quite fair enough. Now the next question which was asked, that no, suppose you are not at all given a project and you are put into support, what would you do? Okay, now here my student went a bit wrong. He told, sir, I would feel a bit depressed, but I will see what best can be done. See, whenever they are putting you in such situations, they are testing how optimistic you are. They're testing how well can you go ahead. Okay, so if you are putting me in support role, okay, no problem, sir. I would learn it and I would improve my skills and try to reach a better role. This is what you can tell. I would definitely do it. But at the same time, I would improve my skills and try to get into a better role. This is what you can tell. Am I right? Instead of telling, I would feel sad, I would feel depressed and all. Okay. Then HR asked, now coming to the next panelist, that is the HR. The HR asked him, where would you like to see yourself in the next 5 years? Again, my student made a mistake here, small mistakes, okay, that I would see myself as a team leader. Now you never know, okay. Now if you tell that you're going to be a team leader in the next 5 years, I would feel somewhere you are discouraging yourself. Might be that your skills are so good that you can directly go ahead of a team lead. Am I right? So you could directly not say I would be a team lead or a project manager or a senior associate, anything. You can just say, sir, I would just put my best, and wherever whichever position is there in the next 5 years, where I have put my best and I would reach, that would be the position, sir. So if I've done my best, I might be a team lead also. I can be above the team lead also. We never know. Am I right? So you could say something like, sir, in the next 5 years, I would, the position whichever is best suited for the amount of work that I do, sir. Something like this, instead of directly telling I would be a team lead. Okay. Then they asked him, any questions you would like to ask? Now my student again made a mistake here. Mistake made was, sir, how did you find my interview? This question should not be asked. Never ask feedback about your interview to the HR. Never. And do not ask personal questions to the HR. Ask something like, what technology should I work so that it helps my company and me. Put company before yourself, which helps my company, and you're telling my company, which means what? You've already thought TCS is your company. You're a part of the company. All these small things matters. Okay. So what technology should I work which will help my company and me grow? Okay, sir, on what technology will I be trained on so that right now I can start learning it and I can improve as much as possible? These are the questions. Be inquisitive to get to know what are the technologies you want to work. Be positive and have that attitude that, sir, what should I do next? This is what you should be doing in that any questions you would like to ask. Okay, so this was one student's interview which was asked, quite a stressful round. Okay, he is from CS department from Andhra Pradesh. I can't tell you his name, I can't tell you his college because it is told to be confidential by his placement officer. So I got another interview experience from a girl from Kerala. She is from MCA department, and okay, she mentioned that she's good at Java, and they asked her to write a pattern program in Java, basic pattern program 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 like that. They asked her to write a program and share the screen and code for it. Okay, then they asked her, only 2 students are selected from your college. Why should I select you? Then she told her why I'm more hardworking or I'm more dedicated, more motivated and all. Then they asked her, okay, all of both of you have the same qualities. Why should I still select you? This is what was asked to her. Okay, and they asked her, if you were in my place, what would you be looking at both of them to select one of the two? Are you getting it? So this was the type of question asked. And they asked her about her extracurricular activities. Are you ready to relocate? Why you choose your college? Why did you choose your college? And what do you not like about your college? Now see, this is again a trap question. What do you not like about your college? Now, a person who talks bad about his college in front of a third person today can talk bad about a company tomorrow also. So he's testing, do you know what to talk, what not to talk in front of a third person? Okay, so what do you not like about your college? Sir, my college has more number of working hours. Okay, sometimes it feels quite monotonous, sometimes it becomes stressful, but sir, we are uh, grateful to the college that they are taking so much of efforts for us. So this is one thing which I do not like, but still it is for our benefit itself. So I'm fine with that, sir. This is how you answer. What do you not like about your college? Please don't talk bad about anybody in the interview. Is it clear? All these are trap questions. Why I should not select you? What are your weaknesses? What are the bad qualities about your college? What do you dislike in your friend? Now, if you tell what are the bad qualities in your friend, which means even that is your bad quality. Why? Because birds of the same feather flock together. He's conjuice and I'm conjuice. That is when we become best friends. Are you getting it? So never talk bad about anybody in the interview. Just focus on the positive side, focus on being optimistic, and see through it that you always have that nice smile on your face. So this is the interview experience of TCS NQT 2021, first of CS department boy and then MCA department girl. Okay, MCA department girl is from Kerala, CS department boy is from Andhra Pradesh. This was the questions asked. So I hope this experience has helped you get to know what are the type of questions asked. Please remember, technical is also asked, management questions is also asked, HR questions is also asked. Okay, prepare well. All the very best, all of you. May all of you get selected. Take care.